আসসালামু আলাইকুম স্যার।
ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম রহমতুল্লাহ। তো আমরা চলে আসি 41 নাম্বারে। Fortune has often been blamed for blindness, but number 8, but blindness and fortune are not, number B তে as বা so, are not as blind as those, number C তে who, 41 এর A তে আমরা দিয়েছি but, B তে দিয়েছি as বা so, আর C তে দিলাম who are not as blind as those who blame their fate. Dash do not try to overcome their adversities. Who blame their fate but নাম্বার ডি তে আবারও বাট অথবা and ও দেওয়া যায় যে blame their fate and do not try to overcome their fears, adversities. Neither good luck, নাম্বার ই তে nor. Neither good luck nor bad luck has anything to do with the ultimate destiny of a man. 42. Life in villages and that in town both has both advantages and disadvantages. Village life is calm and quiet and free from jam. Number B, whereas or while city life is full of din and bustle. Dash village life has many attractions and advantages. Number C, again. Though যেহেতু পরে উল্টা কথা আছে ইট ল্যাকস মেনি ফ্যাসিলিটিস সেহেতু তো দো বা অল দো দেওয়া যাবে সিতে though village life has many attractions and advantages it lacks many facilities available in the city life dash provides us with facilities of education and treatment dash with many other amenities. City life therefore however therefore দেওয়া যাবে City life therefore provides us with the facilities of education and treatment. Number eight, along with many other amenities. Number 43, man is the architect of his own fortune. Dash he makes proper division of his time, dash does his duties accordingly, he should. Number eight, if he makes proper division of his time. Number B, and does his duties accordingly, he is sure to prosper in life. But, কিংবা on the other hand, but if দিলে মিলে সম্ভবত if he does otherwise, he is sure to repent. Number D তে when, he is sure to repent when it is too late. To kill time is as culpable as to commit suicide. Number 44, flood is considered to be a natural calamity. It is no doubt a blessing for the people. Number A, 44A, though বা although. Though flood is considered to be a natural calamity, It is no doubt a blessing for the people. It is considered to be a blessing in the sense, number B, that in the sense that it makes the soil alluvial. Number C, because silt is scattered over land and land due to flood. Due to flood and makes the soil fertile. So it can be said that flood has, number E, both. Flood has both constructive and destructive sides. "45. The paragraph and the essay are different from each other. Number 8, but. But দেওয়া ভালোই এটার চাইতে। এরটা তেমন একটা ব্যবহৃত হয় না। But there are some similarities between them. Firstly, the paragraph has a topic sentence to introduce the main idea. Secondly, it has a number of sentences in the middle to develop that main idea. Thirdly, there is a concluding sentence in it to bring the main idea to a close. That's it. There is the essay also. Number D, similarly. Similarly, the essay also consists of a beginning, a middle, and an end. It is therefore, number E, therefore, it is therefore obvious that the paragraph and the essay share some common features in respect of the structures. Soil is necessary for life because, as because বা since তিনটাই হয়, বিকজটা দিচ্ছি, because most of our foods come from soil. It is true that some of us eat meat. Dash meat comes from animals that, number B, again, ulta na to. Again, meat comes from animals that live on plants, and those plants again grow on soil. Number C, if we do not give food to soil, plants will become weak. Number D, both. Both natural and inorganic manure are necessary for cultivation. Number E, nowadays compost manure is widely used in cultivation. Agricultural scientists discourage farmers to use pesticides because of their harmful side effects. "47. A thing of beauty is a joy forever, and a flower is a symbol of beauty and purity. Its sweet smell attracts one to all." Number B, once অথবা once upon a time, কিংবা previously কিংবা formerly. Flower cultivation was very rare in our country, but the scenario has changed. Number C, nowadays. Nowadays, many people cultivate flower not only for enjoying their beauty, number D, but also for earning money. Now in big cities and towns, many flower shops have flourished, where different kinds of flowers are sold. Number 8 is so but therefore কি? So flower cultivation holds a bright prospect.
So 47 is A and B to principal.
Are you asking for A?
A and
জুই বুঝতে পারে না, are you asking 47A or you may give me a text? Soundটা twisted হয়ে যায়।
27 A and B.
আচ্ছা, A and D I heard. ওকে, আমি রিপিট করে দিচ্ছি। A thing of beauty is a joy forever. Number 8 তে আমরা and দিয়েছি, and flower is a symbol of beauty and purity. Its sweet smell attracts one to all. Number B তে আমরা দিয়েছি once কিংবা once upon a time কিংবা previously কিংবা formerly। আর D তে not only for enjoying their beauty but also, D তে দিয়েছি but also। I guess it's okay now. Number 48. Where there is a will, there is a way. The proverb is quite true. The people hate their fate, that they cannot get the result as per their wishes. নাম্বার এ এর পরের অংশটা আমরা খেয়াল করি, they cannot get the result as per their wishes. তাদের ইচ্ছা মতো রেজাল্টটা পায় না, এটাই হলো তাদের হেটকে ফেট করার কারণ। তারা যেমনটি চায় তেমনটি তাদের ভাগ্যে আসে না। ফলে আমরা এখানে অ্যাজ বিকজ সিন্স দিচ্ছি, এতে অ্যাজ দিচ্ছি, পিপল হেট দেয়ার ফেট অ্যাজ, বিকজ বা সিন্স দিলেও চলবে, অ্যাজ দে ক্যানট গেট দ্য রেজাল্ট অ্যাজ পার দেয়ার উইশেস। বাট নাম্বার বি তে ইফ, but if a man works deliberately for building his future, success will touch him definitely. Therefore, there is no magic power, but নাম্বার সি তে বাট। আমাদের জুই আবারও কানেক্টেড হলো দেখলাম। তো 48 নাম্বার মিস করছে জুই। 48 এর এ তে আমরা দিয়েছি অ্যাজ, বি তে দিয়েছি বাট, ইফ, বি তে দিয়েছি ইফ, আর সি তে দিলাম বাট। There is no magic power, but it is the magic of hard work. Dash, when one gets success, fortune will side him too. নাম্বার ডি তে again দেওয়া যায়, again when one gets success, fortune will side him too. The unlucky people rebuke the fate. Number E তে conclusion, so but that is why there is no alternative to work. #49. Almost all countries of the world suffer from the curse of unemployment problem. নাম্বার 8-এ বাট কিংবা হাউএভার, ইনফ্যাক্ট চাইলে দেওয়া যায় যে ইনফ্যাক্ট nowhere in the world this problem is so acute as in our country. There are many reasons behind it. এবার রিজনস গুলো আসতে থাকবে। বি নাম্বারে ফার্স্টলি our country is industrially backward. সিতে secondly our system of education fails to give a student an independent start of life. It has little provision for vocational training. নাম্বার ডিতে দুই ভাবে চিন্তা করা যায়। একটা হলো বোথ দেওয়া, both our student and youth have a false sense of dignity. আর অন্যভাবে thirdly our student and youth have a false sense of dignity. Number E test. Number E test so they run after higher level job only. So therefore that. Number 50. The prices of daily essentials like number 8 like but such as onion, ginger, garlic, edible oil, potato, and eggs are increasing day by day. They are showing any sign of decreasing, that's remaining static. The prices of daily essentials and subject plural prices, তাহলে আমাদের verb plural are onion, ginger, garlic, edible oil, potato, and eggs are increasing day by day. বাড়ছে কিন্তু কমছে না, but showing any sign of decreasing or number C তে or remaining static. তালহা, তুমি এইমাত্র জয়েন করলা, আবার কিছু বলতে চাও?
স্যার আজকে ক্লাস হওয়ার কথা ছিল।
হ্যাঁ, অবশ্যই। There this trend continues. Number D তে if this trend continues, the poorer section of society will be the worst suffer. There the sufferings of the fixed income earners will know no bounds. Number 8 is so. Therefore, by one day, the sufferings of the fixed income earners will know no bounds. Number 51. Exam strategy is very important to be successful in the examination. Their subject knowledge, a student should be strategic. Number 8, besides subject knowledge, a student should be strategic. Dash examination approaches, he should be careful. Number B, when examination approaches, he should be careful about dates, time, and the things which are required to be ready. He should answer all the questions. Number D, according to instructions. He should answer all the questions according to instructions and thus he can get the desired result. Thus ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম। Number 52. Truthfulness is the greatest of all virtues, that or which makes a person really great. Dash we cultivate the habit of speaking the truth, we cannot command the confidence of others. Unless, number B. Unless we cultivate the habit of speaking the truth, we cannot command the confidence of others. The man whom nobody believes can never be famous in life. It may be dash we may succeed once or twice by telling lies. It may be that, number D that, it may be that we may succeed once or twice by telling lies. But, number E but it never brings about good result. A lie never lies hidden. Today or tomorrow it comes to light. 53. Drug addiction is more powerful, number 8 more powerful than cancer. Number B because cancer attacks a man individually, but কিংবা whereas C but drug addiction massacres the whole nation. কিংবা whereas drug addiction massacres the whole nation. It brings social crimes like, number D like hijacking, looting, plundering, killing, robbery, rape, unrest, terrorism, and number E and so on. In our society, we find a group of people who are fond of sky-high talking. They often say that they can do so, or number 8 or so, or better than, number B than, so or better than that. In fact, they are good for nothing. They want to hide their inability by their sky-high talking. There such kind of people are if, number C if অথবা when. If such kind of people are asked to show their performance, they quarrel with their tools. There's a man of action talks. On the other hand, কিংবা on the contrary দিতে whereas ও হবে, তবে on the other hand আরো বেটার, যেহেতু কমা দিয়ে আলাদা করা আছে। whereas হলে একটা সেন্টেন্সের মধ্যেই হয়, যে আগের সেন্টেন্সটা শেষ হতো না। On the other hand, a man of action talks less and advises others to talk less and work more. A man of action need not talk about his ability as or because or since he is not an empty vessel. A man of action need not talk about his ability as he is not an empty vessel. 55. Corruption has become a part and parcel of our life. Dash no office work is done. Number 8 today বা nowadays অথবা as no office work is done without corruption, people have taken it as an acceptable practice. Dash this evil practice should be stopped. However, but now, this evil practice should be stopped. Dash the government is strict. Number C if the government is strict, it will be possible. There some corrupt officials are punished. Number D তে though বা although. Though some corrupt officials are punished, it has not yet been evicted from government offices. Therefore, it must be eradicated at any cost. Number E তে however বা therefore বা so, it must be eradicated at any cost. '56. Many fishermen go for fishing at night. Dash they have gone deep sea, their families remain in great concern. Dash they will come back. Number 8 when they have gone deep sea, their families remain in great concern whether. Number B whether they will come back. Fishermen usually encounter storm, cyclone in the deep sea. Number C but they take courage and endurance. Number D in order to. শুধু to preposition কিন্তু in order to connector. In order to survive in the midst of danger. Number E so fishermen should be furnished with modern marine vessels. Modern marine vessel GPS সিস্টেমের মাধ্যমে অটো ওয়েদার আপডেট পাওয়া যায় এবং নেভিগেশনটা খুব ইজি। সেকেন্ড ইজ ইলন মাস্কের স্টারলিংক তো আসলো, এটা যে কোনো ওয়েদারে কাজ করবে, ওয়েদার আপডেট জানা ইজি হবে। ইলন মাস্কের একটা আছে সম্ভবত রোমিং, ওই প্যাকেজটার দাম বেশি যদিও, কিন্তু এটা সম্ভবত সমুদ্রের 12 নটিক্যাল মাইল বা মাইল পর্যন্ত নেওয়া যাবে, নেটে কাজ করবে। আর আরো বেশি নটিক্যাল মাইল নিলে ডিপ সি প্যাকেজ আছে, এটা সমুদ্রের সব জায়গায় পাওয়া যাবে। আস্তে আস্তে দেশ উন্নত হচ্ছে, কিন্তু খরচ বেশি দেখলাম। স্টারলিংকের মিনিমাম দাম মনে হয় 20,000 বা 24,000-এর মতো, আর মান্থলি প্যাকেজও বেশি। 57. Living in a city has both advantages and disadvantages. Dash it is easier to find work. অ্যাডভান্টেজ এবং ডিসঅ্যাডভান্টেজের প্রথম পয়েন্ট, এটা আসলে অ্যাডভান্টেজের পয়েন্ট, আমরা ফার্স্টলি দিতে পারি। ফার্স্টলি ইট ইজ ইজিয়ার টু ফাইন্ড ওয়ার্ক। নাম্বার বি তে সেকেন্ডলি Secondly, there is choice of public transport. So you don't need to own a car. There are lots of things to do. Thirdly, by again, there are lots of things to do and places to go. এক মিনিট একটু সময় নিচ্ছি। Okay. Number C তে thirdly, by again, there are lots of things to do and places to go. For example, number D তে for example. For example, you can eat in good restaurants, visit museums, and go to the theater and to concerts. Dash, when you want to relax, you can easily find a park. Finally, but moreover, when you want to relax, you can easily find a. Number 58, everybody knows. Number A, that everybody knows that sincerity is the key to success. A sincere person can prosper in life. The man who. Number B, who. The man who does not follow the rules of sincerity can never go a long way in the world. Many a man is not conscious of the importance of sincerity, for that they do not have the benefit of success. Many a man is not conscious of the importance of sincerity. For what? Number C, for what they do not have the benefit of success. Dash, we should be sincere. Number D, so. So we should be sincere to our work. Dash, we are sincere to our work, we will suffer in the long run. Unless, number E, unless we are sincere to our work, we will suffer in the long run. 59. There is hardly anybody, number 8, who does not like flowers. Flowers are symbols of beauty and purity. Flowers are of many kinds. Number B, এটা preposition হয়, এজন্য লাল করা আছে। Among them, the rose is the best one. People like it most. Number C, because it has sweet fragrance and beauty. As because since that. Dash, flowers bloom, nature. Number D, when flowers bloom, nature wears a charming look. We cannot help gazing at them. Flowers always charm and amuse us with their beauty and sweet scent. Dash, flowers are very necessary for human life. Number 8, so flowers are very necessary for human life. 60. Dash, a student does not learn his or her lessons properly and examination is tough for him. Number 68, if a student does not learn his or her lessons properly and examination is tough for him. Dash, an examination is easy if he or she takes proper again বা on the other hand. Number B, again or on the other hand. On the other hand, better. On the other hand, an examination is easy if he or she takes proper preparation. The night before examination is not always joyous. Feelings, of course, differ from examinee to examinee. Dash, it is something like a, for example, number C. For example, it is something like a bad dream. Number D, because bad dream এর কারণ, because most of our students are negligent. Number E, so, but therefore, but that is why. So there is much hurry, suspense, and tension among the students the night before an exam. তো আমরা আমাদের হোমওয়ার্ক 60 পর্যন্ত ছিল, এটা শেষ করলাম। 61 থেকে 80 এটা করলে আমাদের এই টপিকটা শেষ হবে। তো এটাই থাকবে আমাদের হোমওয়ার্ক। আজকের ক্লাসটি আমরা এখানে শেষ করব। ঈদের আলাদা কোনো হোমওয়ার্ক না দিয়ে শুধু বলবো রিটেন পার্ট গুলোই হোমওয়ার্ক। রিটেন পার্ট গুলো এই ভ্যাকেশনে করে ফেলা, 1 সপ্তাহের ছুটি থাকবে। 1 সপ্তাহ বলতে আমাদের নেক্সট ক্লাস হলো রবিবারে, তাই না? ঈদের পরের দিন রবি, মঙ্গল, বৃহস্পতি, সানডে, টিউসডে, থার্সডে, এই 3টা দিন অফ থাকবে। থার্সডেতে যদি আমি কোনো অনলাইনে নিতে চাই তাহলে জয়েন করো সবাই। তো সবাই ভালো থেকো, দেখা হবে পরের ক্লাসে। সুন্দর করে ঈদ কাটাও, যারা গ্রামে যাচ্ছ নিরাপদ জার্নি হোক। ঈদের সময়টা সবাই সাবধানে থাকি। বর্তমান বাংলাদেশ যথেষ্ট অস্থির বাংলাদেশ। সাবধানে সচেতনতার সাথে থাকলে আমরা নিশ্চয়ই ভালো থাকবো। সবাই সবার জন্য দোয়া করব। আল্লাহ হাফেজ।